Hello, future New York State educator, and welcome back to our third lesson of this Educating All Students exam to help you get totally prepared for test day. In this section, we're going to be covering two competencies in one video lesson, and that is the teacher responsibilities and also school-home relationships. Altogether, you can expect to receive approximately 10 questions on these topics, which will account for 16% of your final score. Keep in mind that we are logged into teacherpreps.com test prep, the most trusted test prep to help people pass their teacher certification exams. We're going to scroll down into our pedagogy and professional responsibilities section, where in this video, I'm going to showcase our professional environment video. Now, we've got the video right at the top, and this is great for audio-visual learners. Right down below, we have our technical terms that are covered inside this section. Make sure you have a good grasp on test day for these terms. If you scroll down underneath that is our study guide written in a bullet point, non-fluff style that's simple and easy to read, yet covers everything you need. Now I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where again we have the section that tests your understanding for the technical terms. So if we read the first one right at the top, Federal Civil Rights Law preventing discrimination against individuals with disabilities in federally assisted programs. Pause the video here, look at the word bank, and ask yourself, which term would you put into this box? Great. Now, as I have a look at the word bank, I'm scrolling, I'm looking, I see section 504, and I'm going to either type it or I'm going to paste it right down below. Now, you're going to want to do this for every single of these sentences to check your understanding for the terminology that you need to know for your test. But once you're ready, click the submit button. If the box turns red, you have either left it blank like I did, or it's incorrect. Now, right at the top, let's check the first one. Great. It is section 504, and I can say, okay, now I understand section 504. I can move on to the terms that I still need practice with. Now, as always, if you need to pass a standardized exam, there's no better way than a practice test. And that's why we've created the timed practice test to help you get totally prepared for the professional environment section of your exam. So I'm going to scroll back all the way to the top. Let's watch this professional environment for teachers to help you get prepared. Thanks for watching. Good luck on your preparation, and make sure you enroll at teacherpreps.com.
Welcome to this teacher certification exam preparation lesson, where you will learn about the professional environment of an elementary school teacher, focusing on collaboration and communication with families, community engagement, and the ethical and legal responsibilities that come with the role. Stick around until the end, because this session is designed to help you master this material for test day. Let's start with collaborating and communicating with families by first discussing developing partnerships, which come in the form of parent volunteers to participate in classroom activities and offer workshops. But how about effective communication? Well, when taking your exam, make sure to look for answer solutions such as sending regular updates, using newsletters, emails, or a class website to keep families informed about classroom activities and learning tips, using other electronic communication tools, such as messages and apps, as well as making sure that all messages are accessible and inclusive by providing translations and considering accessibility for families with limited digital access. Next up, let's list the ways to conduct effective conferences, starting with preparation. Have specific discussion points ready, including academic and social behavior progress. Always use active listening. Engage empathetically with parents, valuing their input and perspectives. And have actionable plans. Conclude with clear, realistic plans for both teacher and parents to support the student. Moving on when it comes to professional collaboration and community engagement. Look for answer solutions on your teacher certification exam that provide supportive relationships with colleagues, as well as ensuring the curriculum meets all students' needs through integrated lesson planning with your colleagues. When taking your teacher certification test, be ready to answer questions about professional ethics and legal responsibilities. In doing so, always adhere to legal and ethical guidelines such as the educator's rights and responsibilities to maintain a safe, inclusive, and equitable environment for all students, as well as the confidentiality and educational equity to protect student information and ensure equal access to educational resources, and also mandated reporting to fulfill legal obligations to report any signs of abuse or neglect. Your state teacher certification exam promotes professional development and self-reflection. So look for answer solutions, where the teacher in the question participates in professional learning communities and uses self-assessment and reflection. Great job with this lesson, future teacher. Now, log into your teacherpreps.com account to take the comprehensive practice test to make sure you are fully equipped to ace your exam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.